Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to download PUBG on your PC for free. Let's get started. So to download PUBG on your PC for free, there is only one option right now in 2022, which is to download it using a mobile emulator called GameLoop. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, and it's quite easy and simple. So the first step to do that is to open up your web browser and download GameLoop. So first open up your web browser and search for GameLoop on Google. Click on the first link that's available, and I'll also have the link for this in the description so you can directly open it from here. So from here, just click on download and click on OK. So it will start downloading. So in my case, I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to click on open, click on yes, and then the installer will open. After that, click on install, and then it will download the GameLoop client. So for this, you have to wait a bit for it to download, and then after that, I'll show you guys the next steps. So GameLoop just finished downloading and installing, and now you can see the start option. So just click on it, and now you can see the GameLoop client. So once you are there, it will automatically start downloading PUBG Mobile, and even if it doesn't, you can just click on home, and after that you'll see PUBG Mobile on the first tab. If you even don't see that, you can just search here for PUBG Mobile and it'll come up in the search first. So just click on it, and then it should start downloading. So after it's finished downloading, I'll show you guys the next steps. Okay, so as you can see, the game has just finished downloading, and then the game will just turn on by itself and start installing. Now you can select whatever resolution that you want. In my case, I can have it at 1080p, but I'm just gonna have it at 720p for now. So as you can see, the game has just started and it's working perfectly fine. You can also go full screen by clicking on here and making the game full screen. After that, you can play PUBG on your PC for free with keyboard and mouse. With this mobile emulator, you can even connect with mobile players and play with them. So that is all you have to do to install PUBG on your PC, and I hope this video helped you guys in any way possible. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.